What is going on, everyone? Leon checking in, and we're at it again with another video. In today's video, we'll be demonstrating two must-have shortcuts for Windows 11 PC gaming, and these include Alt and Tab and Alt and Enter. As for this video, it's featured on the Windows PC and Modern Gamer playlist, so you can find information related to this topic quickly and easily. And as always, we only feature products or services I buy, use, or am interested in, and you can find these items, related items, and items shown in this video at the Amazon storefront link in the description below. That being said, shout out to the Mortal Kombat snapback, which features the Mortal Kombat logo in the front, and also Finish Him on the rear. And you can find this at the Amazon storefront link as well in the description below. All things said, let's go ahead and get into it. So here we are in Windows 11 on the HP Omen 16 laptop gaming PC, which is a device I'm currently enjoying, obviously for gaming, but content creation as well. And you can learn more about the HP Omen 16 by clicking on the playlist card in the corner of this video. Now to start this tutorial, you can see that we have a game going. This is Halo Infinite, and this is a game I'm currently playing. I thought it would be great to demonstrate for load-in and visual so you can get an idea of what gaming performance is like on a Windows gaming PC. So that being said, we're going to let this play and I'm going to demonstrate these shortcuts. So first, we have the shortcut that allows us to display all available open windows, and this is going to be done by pressing and holding down the Alt key and tapping the Tab key. And you can see that brings up all our available windows, and I want to make a note here. We've got all these windows open and this game is playing flawlessly. There is no lag or stutter whatsoever. The fans on the HP Omen 16, they are going, but I do have a cooling pad underneath. Now continuing on, again, we have all our available open windows open. We're continuing to hold down the Alt key, and we can scroll through the available windows by tapping the Tab key while we're holding down the Alt key. And you can see that the window that's selected is going to have a black border around it. So for example, if we stop on the window that's a file folder titled 4.0, that window is selected because it has the black border around it. And therefore, if we release the Alt key, that window is going to appear on top. Now we can close any of these available windows by pressing and holding the Alt key and tapping the Tab key. And then using our mouse or trackpad, we can hover over a window we would like to close. So we're going to use the CyberLink Application Manager window as an example here. We're hovered over that, and I'm going to hover over the X for that window. You can see it's going to highlight red, and then we can click on it. That's going to close that window. Now we want to make sure we select Halo Infinite, or else when we release the Alt key, our windows are going to appear on top of that. So again, we're going to press and hold the Alt key and then tap Tab, and then tap Tab until Halo Infinite is selected. Again, looking for that black border around Halo Infinite, and then we can release the Alt key. The game appears on top. And that brings us to our next shortcut, which is going to allow us to either minimize the window or maximize the window. And it seems like this is such a fitting opportunity here. So this is done so by pressing Alt and Enter. We're going to minimize the window. Now this is perfect for if you were in a game just like we were and you want to access the taskbar, or you want to see what time it is, or maybe you want to access an item on the desktop. But if you want more of an immersive experience, maybe you are minimized and you want to go full screen, all you have to do is press and hold Alt and tap Enter. So that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed it and found it useful, please leave a like. If you're watching on YouTube and have any questions or comments, as always, drop those down below and I'll do my best to answer them. Now there are 3 ways you can support the content. The first way is to click on the Amazon storefront link in the description below. There you'll find items that I have bought or would buy, and anything you buy from the storefront does support the content. The next way you can show your support is just by sharing this content with someone who might enjoy it or find it useful. And the last way you can show your support is just by clicking the subscribe button. Now liking and subscribing are important because those are ways to vote on whether you like the content. Liking and subscribing are also important for new viewers and listeners. If new viewers and listeners see likes and subscribers, they're going to think that the content is helpful, worth watching, and listening to. As always, thanks for watching, and may the universe flow in your favor. And until next time, Leon checking out.
You